3 days time, the KBN convention because he was contemplating suicide. But he can't be sent to command, so now bro 1,500. That's what the man here, bro. Now I'm saying, hey, we need papa. Now me be sure. And then you have to, in your contract, you might owe you, then you have to.
Sompa 93.1.
Me say one and Cabranti Sika can't ever call. I don't pay you so. Obiti baby say boy, or this kind of coin now, but he'll be. I call it Jimmy. Hey, when you 84 million power, what you build that? Sikanya Odia. What's it more fan Kodi? Young man be war Liberia. Also, Sika. Ochi Uber and Obisika on the mano. And let George Upon we are president. Omannhene Kosukua almost now to university. Because the papa won now. The papa won no. It's a bimuna initially ne bimu dear branty atem. Silent on this Sikanako. And so Nasha radio stations ne. Television station where we are singing now. Church of Pentecost of Penny one go away. And so headquarters to Safreno. And now someone channel 10,000. Kidi a chenisika. I'm up for chenisika. Sika onya you know. Dr. Mahmoud Baumiama and 200. On the boss here. She say I want 520. No, you remember check 520 million. James Sika wanya no. Now me say. A free last Amre could do bear next week. I'm on for the channel this now sorry Pentecost. Be any they are proud of it. And tell my Pentecost the one more. Me we say one card beko. I'm fan call. Abo amabeka say kai. Eso ya odi si ama wasesa or the beko. Ya na what to say? Bibi aboko.
Oh, adom. That's right.
Bibi adadin.
Eradi adom.
Friday so sia. Na yi na yo okay sima yi. Sima address yi. What so kakra.
So mama me vino.
Ah.
How do you do? Case for honra. Just say.
Okay, Kasia Brende yaw. Mami tio.
Sompa 93.1.
Frata dia ja what trust say a wom say 11 or how dear now by no e ye betimi
Na ne nyina mu opani na chese bibie ne hono ma besi amama mpani na sa akwa IMF fonsa o se insida
na shanka fodo do no abesha se 20% in mu ba ye womode ebeye djuma
na civil and local government staff association for the local for the omachi atia na ba ye ni ebusasa nyembia no ni treaty allowance no
Sompa 93.1.
afa ye be ko Sudan man mu na meka sa de hye bia wo Sudan man mu so ahyase eyo ye kire se ne be ya asraf dom ye age man no so no wo mo ebesesa adwene
awsa for weni afofro ya kekese ne ne se kase a ba bia wo bia no pe ye ba ye ba be somo ye ne ya so pe na ya bo amali bia bo gamene
akosia eje wakode
yan sheka se na semfam so for we sikasa no ntutu so yira keno furiata atena ye na odi atudwa se bibie ne hono ma besie amama dan kwa forward watchman pc be ma bo adan yem pi apan sa de Ghana man e kwa IMF for ensa oni tua semra mampani na do dan kwa forward wo kantamadin sia wi abo aguso Kwakosa ne hwene so akota fre na batwe so my God no bekuta masumdwe kwa so ene ewiamu ayi nsuomu anadwumo ye ton safre no man no obekuta mu ne ade a wokwa akotena eye akonya so no ene wo se bosa bre no krade na chese Ghana ye hyesa mefofo nsa ene dwom krokremu ade o my God na free mo emna na no keno friata ene nsamtwefo botu my kakra no wo chese amanfo keka ena chese wo my God yen ebe ya yensan kwaya mefuno mo na beboa ye World Bank ni ade an wo chese bibie ni hono mebesi amama mpeni na nado danko akufo na ban yese omdo man no esa akwa IMF for ensa.
The budget that we constructed for 2022 and the subsequent announcements that we have done, clearly the issue of Ghana having the capacity to think through the consolidation exercises and also discipline itself with regards to the 20-30% cuts, etc., that we have shown, clearly a direction that I guess even in a sense the fund may be hesitant to push any further with regards to that. So clearly with regards to sort of philosophical alignment about realizing that we needed this type of consolidation, we have done that. Then we get to the issue of our debt level for the financing, which dovetails into the World Bank's, Nancy talked about the World Bank's advice on the creditor committee. And the question then becomes whether the fund would have the type of resources that will require to really inoculate a program for the debt. And that is a question that is hanging, whether they can. But we have committed, as you know, to not going back to the fund because in terms of intervention of policy, we are right there, and the fund notes that we are completely in the right direction. And so the issue is validating the program that we have put in place, and then, in my view, supporting us to find alternative ways of financing or
Ken of Oriata for show may yisikasam and nintutia so.
Was say, well, my Ghana, Ilevia, what do a barno dear bano yadia? Well, how near Pinisia woman dear now, so best Ghana, this year say, Yen tomb, Nayan Chia to a son, say, a 2 away a year, ye bet me a boamo, my Ghana Puntu, a Jena Nenaso.
I'm very confident that it opens a whole new vista for our tax handles. In a way in which all Ghanaians would also be paying something. I don't know of any program which has technology involved that will not have teething problems. But certainly cataclysmic, pronouncement by people on the other side is not happening. I think we pretty much have it under control as much as you can. We started on May 1st. We were blessed with that being a period of a holiday for 3-4 days. So we saw the issues and began to tackle them. Will there continue to be certain technical issues? There will be. But certainly not the Armageddon that was pronounced for us.
You're kind of right. I saw for ya was she sick as some so and run some truffle sham with dear course or no, and or dear semi etuja.
Yan Charleston Information Free Swap for Wessica Sanon and Teacher so Raken of Riata Natsna Yen Information Call, Civil and Local Government Staff Association for close action. Now, and run a better ja, Sir Omochi Atiano no more Kutemua, Yaneka Kobo Somino. Omo Adea Akye na omo ati omo de Abia and ansam trefo busasa nyembia no almost neutrality allowance no a na omo kukutua so se chinchin no omo nsanka omo ensa enkwadwuma no anyembia omo saka na and I'm suma ora Emmanuel Aka why national organizer edema closer kekuno Sompa FM in central folk on a kachi kubisa and sang biano allowance no monsaka na and or chess or monsanka in the mum sa boss away am penning and other danko for na by the amawuno emu do a mususo eham and until ma almost strike no match and send yakopon ya do medwada or more ever sakwe
Sompana yi
I send me the office in the National Labour Commission. I say, I'm buying so I National Labour Commission, come on, directly. So I'm buying payment plan and control. Until now, I'm the payment plan and control. I'm starting to negotiate national policy strike. But I almost start talking to my brother. We know, said the DKK press conference, we are first half of the game. The first half, they are the second half, Nankasa, a proper conditions of service, Nankasa. And they do also the BCB and the Rooms Maswati. Oh, and then National Executive Council, the CIA, so the Kaya can start striking on my post striking. And I'm not going to answer the big time policy strike now. And no one shall no one say, the way I am see or no my judge just a letter not from Quadia. And the young college striking of not your mouth and encouragement. So when I are away, then area we are is entitled to opinion. A democracy, the Caravan penny. On my penny proponent can say I didn't say, and the Omannhene on which say, I hire can be also, Omannhene on which say.
Where Ora Emmanuel Aka, national organizer, the Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana.
Sompana yi 3.1.
Another day and my Ghana Shanka for the Donwa Shasie, Ama and to move 20% by one more to me Adea Juma. A woman say free nanomen die, Chemono, Ashanka for the Donwa Shasie up to one Jimmy, and I show what it is here. Master and I never tell and a Sujina Dijana. While Brian Money Bonnie Benjamin could see a boss. So echo any Ashanka for being continuing common no much say, one more dear, one more ginger di, one more the Shannon Brana, Juma, and tea, another day, and a woman her name say cash and Chadian to Mono, one bet to me a day ababu.
To say, you're trying and penny for, then I'm not a Juma. Letting fire pay Gassiatum. I'm not about 20%, the official no, you're penny for Cassia more tonight, an official as a tomb, and to one medical to figure out a balance in Anya Kwampa. And into the chance and I'm not watching officially no price never out. No quite is also the new power. So and I will say any person for the man. So yes, you're the junior more. For young so much any nipper. But certain America, you didn't come on because say, Pastor, you can see a tomb to see a Mwa, a Jumano, and person for me, M1. I can say, Yamia Duma outside in the bar. That the law can fight me and some years and on. COVID never in any choose to say. Yariano say ko president because yen tiri nyade anya dia spent awo emutsano e den pa wo kotodwe ene wan je de betu success sele be maintain 3 government dey cover ne buy no start no still 7 no ka say no 39 na de ye maintain examia do ma now new person na ba no still at 39 na de ye fa ni pe ba fuka de no kre emwaye because of pampa so eno mo djuma bo se ni mo ene unje jakwa wontina ama djuma na dey etosini ni na kan kwantina maintain trade no because say system a repeti o kayeti asem so emwaye
my Ghana Shanka for be ya walk a bus terminal and I am money Bonnie Benjamin could see a bosso and a woman a dinkomoy.
I was a fire for Monquat and ten once and some no penny be a wabbity ye pa. Oh my Ghana, Amamra Constitution, I'm running chairman of one. What do lawyer or Ghana twasso? Aqua de Gambia, no near their day, Aqua judge near their day or Honomo nay, watch church or my Ghana, Amamra Constitution no more, and it is true near fight yen sass at all, and nay, yen sass once and somewhere, and watch as a Ghana, Mranwa, Yakako Tintim's new land act no, a bad day, says a Cobasebia, maybe yet more for not Metawasam so, not Obama in Chansebia, Asasibi, and a Mansoni Apache Wahuntino, Memfa Ebia, Yakosibonifan is a restraining order on Concotoswa, was it Mrana yet intim say no, a bad dinner so to morphobi, a bit to sana mono, the sun summit to Jawabra, not what intim woman for frocra, ya no baba ya mamrenia mania pound to ma, no common penny that John Jacum dear woke for, brother Pabas and Tiapaja in this concron, not sana yet, no wakwachiano, na odin woman be a quaquachino, and all the sun some yet to Jawabra, not only mia Kujoba for 18 como. Na his lordship Alexander said to HSA baby a general dear, I hope se ensase ho manso ne apoche no se etuo betwa na eho behia se yetintim mmra eye papa na ebeboa kuru anya za da bia yensase ne de ye be twetwe ho manso sa
asase ya de ehu hia pa individual nipa untimi develop without asase institution intimi nye bibia without asase Oman intimi tumpon without asase so Oman Ghana betimi tumpon a yehia se yehwe yensase semhu eyi na menu mienu aye wonkran ye ni problem bi bra ekoso land guards and double seal of lands and the keka ho me de me say be my judge lands court tema and crime ema minim the ekoso emu ano anything am me try book efa asase ho no na o man pani kufuo nso me be lawyer no ne pen so na o ma na oti akonya no so no na be lawyer make us say in fie eduonini 2002 na ye call yen no oba program na se ebe so yen sachi aye e hye yen de enti se nyame ayadom na se odinim di adom me na metimi de enwoma a ebebo o my Ghana say about na mi susu se ehu hia se me di kan ba ne na se de ne de ebre no ansa na metimi atom.
His Lordship Alexander Osei Tutu Nebusia for Yeten and Kanwa Benepa, Elmra Hunsensimo. Na Mampenida da John Jacob de Woko for so Kakra any.
Studying land and ownership of land, whether it's lease or freehold or whatever, becomes very, very crucial. So I think I'm so pleased. One, for your decision to come to remind me that it was during my tenure as president of our land that you were called to the bar 20 years or so ago. And then also that you've been elevated to the bench and you haven't just used your time adjudicating, you've coupled it with writing, researching and writing, and trying to bring the law on land up to date. So I congratulate you, and I want to let you know that you make me proud. You've reminded me of those times, so congratulations, Your Lordship.
Jumadi Sunku bia koso wa santemante mu nkronkro ahodo besenan bi ti senkawe nyina hini manso kwanta ana fetepa ya ne nyina no afa wo mayi dum jadwumako wo mo hyehye jumadi ahodo won mu die ekwan ya wo befa so be kyerɛkyerɛ mamma no se koba se wachina bi eja bi eto obi fie akwan ya befa so obedi hu dwuma ade afa enam so ma santemante mu assistant chief fire officer edema dum jadwumako no DO1 Harry Jiwa Semtrofo ekasai echeche mu se ebre ni yesi ehunu enuoma hodo a wose ye sekobase ja eto babia.
Safety is a shared responsibility, and if safety is a shared responsibility, whatever we need to maintain the safety, we all have to share. To say be a judge or baby, one free, so a judge to baby, we won't say, and yet. Ye buy and yet ye sang ye di niama ye dum janu. Most of the time niama no ebi eniho. Ebi kra de wo no so ebi I saw ana I touch makakra nti say ye can say hia niama de boa ye hia na bibiri to say ye tenders extrication equipment ye even utility vehicles ye hia niama bibiri. And to say, Ankra Nani Park, it's also welcome. And like I always say, government wants to be now, or yet dear moon, but
and what you know, any of this year be our Belgium, and no saying when you're so for so and so it didn't come.
In the 29th, I dress competition, a more than some of the lapses are wrong, as you know. This is Another dress now for no.
We can Madomio, fire commander of the Techno Fire. Yes, it's an excellent regional command and our social idea. And as you are here, you yourself you observe, say there are a lot of on our firefighting and other things.
District Fire Commander. The boy in the sense is mostly Timamufono, Amunti, Jumana, Nasi. Until the Jumadi, the Amma, said the fire service start here no, because the woman from Swama, Bania Unse, since you insuno, it be insuno within increase pressure now within by 10 minutes now, in soon in a city. I was a Timamufono in a mumu, said one Batadia, Yanamufone.
Wei aye dwumadia sonko a ekoso ewo karia nyina hini tapa ena fe manso enkwanta afa ye kwamno nsemu wokọ Sudan manu mu a sebra ye kase ya sumdue frere sa sumdue ebi enhyede ni hosa October abosom ya fie twamu no ena asrafo dom kwaje man ne boss so ye se wo mo so ba bebu mo man etika ho bi ma de hia no moti alo moti Sudan manu mu no na akwa ye pinson e de ama wonom enam so ma meka se Sudan de hia no mu bi akeka wo mo ho ama nipa be se aduwotwe de asrafo dom na kire wo mo nyina de akwa kongu afiase ne nyina no ye se wonom e kire se Sudan manu hia sumdue one mu ya so munya omu fa hodie na fei tetentre ne wo msa so ko enka ne dwumadia na won mu diem se ye be ma kwan ama nipa wonyo srani ababedu o man no so eno na akoko ya semsebe ye nei edo Sudan man mu ya wo mu bobo ho enam so ntina de hye no mu binum ya kira wodo a won mo ye e wo Sudan man mu no won mo koto asra mama wodo so mo mfoma no ntum se ne be ya Sudan man na somdua ne wo won mu be atwam no ebesa so ababiu
Yegina we suna no pay nsemo e baba no de beso mo yemfa mo nsia se na fe Adea Akye Abia entwaso emfamfiri ha ye ne yesomo na ya bo amalibia bogamene
tia eje wakodie
21st clinic say eba sciatica no hu every usisimu kono a woto ase ho no ntina fa usrem ekosi wo na ase ho no ebo betimi atutu ama wo ankasa wo hu ba bia enye enti 21st clinic wo mo na ye sciatica expert e wo Ghana ha wo mo de bibiduro so ho bibiduro ankasa e na besa ya no masa de machine aka ho ya de bibiduro ka ho ni asa de wato machine so ya san ya o massage bi ya wi a herbal treatment ya de awono ama sciatica 21st clinic na ye expert a wo tu ase Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho wo oboase wo be ho 21st clinic wo oboase council quarters wo oboase court junction hwa e na kuma senso ahia wo dru session so wo mo na nie dwaboso wo mo ho so nyane ni wenchi ni ba bia nkranza 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
na mi shra bebre
Sompa FM.
Right.